Hello all. So this lecture or this tutorial is about arrays. So what is an array? An array is collection of numbers basically. So what is the difference between list and array? List can have multiple types of data, okay, like strings and numbers, okay, whatever data you want to keep in the list you can keep it. So if you are working only with numbers, you can use arrays. And also there is another thing, they can actually provide dimensions or acts using the what you can say array. So import numpy, they are called numpy arrays. Numpy has p. Okay, so this is the library for which use it to convert uh, list into array. So suppose I have something like this list of numbers 1 2 5 6 7 9. So this will be list actually a list. So I can convert it by suppose I'm taking y is equal to np dot array of x. Okay, this is converted into array now. So what's the difference between list and array? So it's the same numbers actually. You print y, that you can see that it is 1 5 6 7 9. Okay, and print x, so it is just 1 2 5 6 7 9. So it is array of a list. Okay, array is always indicated by array and okay these brackets, small bracket. So what is the advantage of array? You can actually reshape the dimensions. Suppose I want to have a 1 2 on the first row and 5 6 on the second row and 7 9 on the third row. I can actually do it by y dot reshape of. So I want 2 2 elements 2 comma 3. So about 2 2 elements 3 rows. So if you see this one, the 1 2 will be on the first row and 5 6 like that. So it's 2 rows. Okay, 1 2 5 the first row and second row is 6 6 7 9. So if you keep it as comma 2, okay, it's something like this. Okay, 6 elements are converted like this. It is 1 2 5 6 7. So we can actually produce dimension. Okay, this is like a matrix. Okay, this cannot be done like this. Cannot what you can say change the dimensions. Okay, so next the simple function I want to write. Reshaping, the reshaping of array. So simple function I want to write for y. Y is uh, just the array of 1 5 6 7 9. If I want to rotate this y left, okay, so I want to rotate it. So I have to if you see this one, so these are the array element 1 2 3 4 and these are the indexes 0 1 2 3. So if you rotate them, this will be the code for I in the range of okay, 4. Okay, there are 4 elements over here, or you can write it as length of this array, which is 4. Z of I minus 1 is equal to Z of I. So that implies I minus 1 for if I is 1, becomes Z of 0 is equal to Z of 1. Sorry, Z of minus 1 is equal to Z of I. Okay, Z of minus 1 is this one. So 1 gets assigned here. Okay, and the rest of the things, z is 1, z of 0 is equal to z of 1. So 2 is going to move here. Okay, That's what I have shown here. And if I is 2, then z of becomes z of 1 is equal to z of 2. Okay. Z of 2 value is assigned to this one. Okay. Now this counts up to 3 only. Range of 4 means it is 0, 1, 2, 3. Up to 3 only. So now if I is 3, then this becomes z of 3 minus 1, that is z of 2 is equal to z of I. Z of I is stored with value, the initial iteration to be 1, so the same value gets repeated. So this serves the most of the purpose, but one thing is, if you rotate it left, okay, what should be the result? Actually, the result should be 2, 3, 4, 1, right? But it is 2, 3, 1, 1. So this element is lost because to assign when you first assign it, this what you can say 0th value going to come -1. Okay, from backwards the index is -1, -4. So when z is 0, when I is 0, z of -1 is equal to z of 0. Z of 0 here is 1. So the value of 1 is assigned to index -1. So this one came the first iteration going to be transferred. So actually it should be 2, 3, 4, 1, but it is 2, 3, 1, 1. So what I have to do is I will store actually the value of this one, which is okay, z of 3. Okay. The length of this z is 4 actually, from 0 to 3. So z of 3 I will store in a variable x. Then I will finally replace x, okay, value. I will assign x value to this index, that is x of 2 or z of 2. Okay. That way you can actually rotate it by rotate left by 1. Okay. So let us do that. So I want to the program for rotating the array, left, rotating the array left. Okay. So I actually store the value of I'll take another variable a is equal to uh, the matrix array is actually y, right? Y is the array. I'll store the last value because it's being merged when during the first iteration one is getting transferred here. Okay. Rotating array left, left. Okay. Everything 2 should come here, 5 should come here, 6 should come here, 7 should come here, like that we have to rotate. So array of y of n minus, okay, because the index is starting from 0, 0th index 0th index is y of 0 is 1, y of 1 is actually length of y minus n, okay, whatever, okay, length of y minus n, length of y if you see will be 6, right? Okay. So this is fifth index 0, 1, 4, 5, right? So now I'll write a for loop over here for I in range of length of y. Okay. So now I will assign the value of I minus 1, okay, to I will assign the value of y of I to y of I, right? So in this process, what is going? So this value is going to get, because 1 will come here. We already stored the value of 9